Good morning, guys. I've just picked up something that I've been thinking about buying for a while now for the bike. As you probably have remembered if you've seen any of my other videos, I've said that the suspension, particularly the rear, is built to a price. It is. It doesn't have much in the right way of adjustment, and the bike can feel a little bit unsettled sometimes. So I thought we'd do a little unboxing of what I've just bought. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so the tension is building. What is it? Ooh, look. Okay, that's where it came from. Thank you very much to Daniel for sorting this out. And look at this. He's even put some sweets in there. Fantastic. Worth the money on their own. Put those over there. Get that out of the way. There we go. Look at that. Right. We ready? Here we go. Ooh. Nice. What have we got there? All looks pretty good. Comes with a sticker. We like stickers. 2 stickers. User's manual. There we go. So all the damping adjustments tells you how to set the suspension for your weight. Troubleshooting. Set up. There we go. You see. Right. That's that. Get it back in there. No, we can't. We'll sort that out in a bit. Move the stickers. What have we got here? Let's have a look at what this is. Right, well, looks like I'll be reading the instructions because I don't know what that is. I guess that's the tool for adjusting the preload. Okay, very nice quality. Feels like heavy. Got some good weight to that. All right, there we go. The shock absorber. What we'll do, we'll do it properly. We'll just sort of go through the tape like that. There we go. And there she is. Look at that. Now I went for the graphite spring colour. The Nitron colours are a blue spring, which I think may have just clashed with the bike a little bit too much. So I went with the graphite. Body colours are the same. The quality and feel of this is very nice. Yeah, so that's it. That's what we've bought. Preload and damping adjustment on the back. Because this is the R1 shock, it has one control knob at the base, and that does compression and rebound damping. Okay, and then obviously you've got the screw thread for the preload on the spring. Okay, so yeah, we shall get that fitted hopefully later on, and give you a little riding review and see what it looks like. Okay, see how it feels. All right, thank you guys, thanks for watching, and ride safe. See you on the next one. Bye.